If you remember the beginning of the video earlier on, I was talking about capacity and volume. Well, the volume is how much is in a container. Alright, so this container, this jug, which is ones that I asked you to get hold of, this is full. It's at full capacity, and the volume here is actually 1 litre, which is the same as 1,000 millilitres. So if I were to pour half of this out into this jug, how much would be left in this jug? And I've coloured the water just so we can see what happens. So I'm going to pour out half. Okay, exactly half. There we are. That's half. So the volume in this jug now is what's left. And the volume, if I look at the side gradient, is exactly 500 millilitres, because 500 millilitres is half a litre. And if you remember, we had half a litre in here, a full litre in here to start with. So pour half out and you're left with 500 millilitres. I'm going to put that back, and I'm going to ask you another question. There we are, back to a litre, full capacity. If I poured out a quarter from this jug, 1/4 of a litre, remember there are 1,000 millilitres in a litre, if I poured out a quarter, how much would I need to pour into this jug here? And you can do this at home, of course. The answer, if I poured out a quarter, well, I know that a quarter of a litre, a quarter of 1,000 is 250, because half is 500 millilitres and half again would mean 250 millilitres. So I'm just going to look on the side to make sure that I've got that right. 200, look the other side, it's a bit clearer. A little bit more. And there we go. So 250 millilitres in here. Next question, what's left in here then in that case? What is the volume of this liquid that's left? Well, if I had 1,000 to start with and I took away 250 millilitres, I'm left with 750 millilitres. I'm sure you got that right. Okay, have a look and see what to do next on the screen.